Want to know the secret to getting the most out of your next princess cruise? It's all about choosing the right package. Let's look at for $90, what a guest will get in addition to anyone who do not pay for upgrade from regular cruise fare. We will also look at the difference between the Princess Premier package and the Princess Plus package. Both packages offer you the unlimited juice bar. The fresh juices and smoothies come from ice cream bar on board. Unlimited specialty dining. That's right, you can indulge in those delicious restaurants every single night of your cruise. Before, you only got 2 visits per person. Cover charge at these restaurants is usually $45 per person. Casual dining options on Princess cruise ships include venues like Alfredo's Pizzeria, with its mouth-watering hand-tossed pizzas, Gigi's Pizzeria for made-to-order individual pizzas, the Salty Dog Gastropub offering gourmet burgers and craft beers with a side of ocean views, Ocean Terrace for fresh seafood, and for delicious sushi with a view, there's Kai Sushi. Now, the Premier package offers a lot, but it might not be for everyone. For example, internet access for 4 devices per person might be overkill for some. And if you're not a big drinker, the unlimited alcohol might not be worth it. That's where the Plus package comes in. It's a great option if you want a good value. You still get perks like free room service delivery, and you can choose the level of Wi-Fi that suits your needs. With Premier's reserved seating, you'll have the best seats in the house for shows like rock opera. Have you tried the Plus or Premier package? Share your experiences in the comments. Click here to subscribe and see more cruise tips and reviews.